Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I'm bringing you third part of my fall decorate with me. I'm so excited to clean and decorate for fall and bring in the cooler weather in our home since it's still in the high 80s to 90 degrees here in Las Vegas, and I am so over the heat, so hopefully I can convince the weather to start cooling down by decorating for fall. I usually like to stick using traditional fall decor colors because it does give me that cozy fall vibes instantly. So I started by making my favorite coffee for fall. This is the recipe that I just make at home. I'm not even sure if Starbucks carry this because I don't usually buy fall coffee at Starbucks. So I just made this up myself. Hopefully you can order this at Starbucks as well because it's so good, you guys. I'm so obsessed. I will make sure to put the recipe for this coffee in the description box below if you want to check it out. But it's basically just milk, French vanilla syrup, double shots of espresso, caramel drizzle, some whipped cream, and a generous amount of pumpkin spice on top. You can also mix it with milk while you steam it or froth it for more flavor. It's really good, guys. You should try it, and if you did, please let me know what you think. I hope this video gives you tons of cozy fall decorating ideas to use in your own home. Let's get started! Here is our entry table, and I'm going to wipe this down really quick before I put all the decorations. I got this hello pumpkin sign last year from Hobby Lobby and I love it. I used this to our fireplace mantel last year, and I'm using this here by the front door this year since I planned something else for the fireplace mantel right behind me for this year. This is the candle I was telling you from my second part of fall decorating video, which I will link in the description box below for you if you want to check it out for more fall decor inspiration after this one in case you haven't seen it. I got this candle last year and there's still a little bit left, so I save it for this year and will try to use it all up. It still smells so good, you guys. This is the leaf scent. I'm also using this fall tree that I DIY last year together with this pumpkin trio that I got from Hobby Lobby this year. To add warmth and coziness to this area, I'm using this battery-operated leaves light that I got from the Dollar Tree a few years ago. Moving on to this area, I'm just gonna switch up the wreath and the scarf here to match for fall season. It's very simple and straightforward here, but I still love how this turned out. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here and thank you so much for watching today's video. My name is Sel. I am a wife and a full-time working mama of one. I would really love it if you subscribe and join my YouTube family for more contents like this, realistic cleaning motivations, tons of home organizations, and lots of grocery hauls. I upload new video every Friday. And don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you will be notified every time a new video goes live. And if you are a returning friend and subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching.
Cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing. Faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by dawn.
Moving on to the couch, I'm going to switch up the pillow covers for fall here. I got this pillow cover from Amazon a few years ago. I will link them in the description box below if you are interested with this. I feel like pillow covers are the easiest way to transform and decorate your couch for every season if you are on a budget.
We'll always remember how it felt. A significant life, just what it was needed. Clean in the blackest night, cloistered in injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody is losing. The sparrows will be here by dawn. When we find it's over, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
I picked up a few fall decor this year and I'm combining them with our old fall decorations and use them together. I will link my fall decor haul video for this year in the description box below if you want to check it out after watching this one. For the coffee table, I like to keep it minimal here because our dogs are tall, so sometimes when they walk around here or run or play, they would hit whatever is on top of the coffee table with their tail and it would just knock down. So I like to keep it simple here, and the floral that I'm using here are from Dollar Tree.
I met him on a sunny day in late July and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned.
For the fireplace mantle, I think I kept it very simple and minimal here since I don't like to move a lot of stuff when I'm cleaning, especially when I'm dusting, so I'm trying to make my cleaning easy as well as making our home looks pretty for fall. Please let me know in the comments down below what you think how everything turned out here, and also please let me know if you want to see a fall home tour. I had a few requests last year but I've never done it, so let me know in the comment box if you want to see a fall home tour for this year.
Tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own. Ever since I got a good look in his eyes, I just knew that he was special. He said he wanted to take it slow, but I couldn't help that I wanted to take it to the next level. Cause I wanted that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other.
I got this sign from Hobby Lobby last year and I love it. I am that person that hates change, and this sign just reminds me that sometimes change is beautiful and it's not all that bad.
Let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. How to carry on.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel. Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face. Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your see you in front of me. All I do is close my eyes, and you're just standing there with your perfect smile. All I do is close my eyes. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose. So just quit my job, stop wasting time, I'm spending my days with you. It's what you do, it's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move with your body's giving me purpose. It's what you do to me.
And this is pretty much it for this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this and find it inspirational and helpful. I hope you get some fall ideas to use in your own home. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It does help support my channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Comment down below and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching and spending time with me today. I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye, friends.